Oh God. Come on, baby. Come on. What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to the very first installment of The Awkward Angler. Today should be a very interesting day today. We are heading to Cedar Creek. It's about 2 hours away. It is the day after Christmas, December 26th. Supposed to get up to 65 degrees today. It's pretty warm in Kentucky for a day like today. It's currently 4:43 in the morning. Sitting here in the parking lot of a church, waiting on my buddy to meet me here. This year is actually the first year that I've fished from a kayak. It's been a pretty unsuccessful year too. The purpose of these videos are just documentation purposes, just to have them as a keepsake. Maybe a few years down the road I can look back on them and laugh about how bad I was at fishing. We're gonna go try to catch some winter bass today. I have no idea how the water clarity is. Should be a nice day, but this is my first time fishing this lake. We have about a 2-hour drive ahead of us. So yeah, that's the plan. See you guys when we get on the water. Finally made it. Oh, we need some boondocks for sure. Here we are. I'm making the first cast to get the bad luck out of the boat. Started out with the old Kayak drop shot this morning. Yeah. Got the first cast out of the way, Cody. You better. Man, the boats are starting to roll in already. I knew it'd be crowded today. Oh well. At least we're out here. According to the maps, it's about 10-20 foot deep at the rocks, and it drops to about 30. Hopefully that's the depth they're holding. Since we have no electronics, we really don't know. It's gotta go by a feel, but that's part of the fun, I guess. This lake's supposed to be loaded with 5 to 8 pounders, and me being from eastern Kentucky, a big fish is a 3-pound bass is huge for me. Can't believe it's supposed to be 65 degrees today, December 26th, the day after Christmas. Let's see if I can change position. Try to switch to the old black and blue jig. See how she does here. It's 8 a.m. No bites yet. Been on the water about 30 minutes. Oh, I'm hung. Frig. Frig! Oh, I popped it free. Let's see. Maybe I'll get smacked. Well, we decided to relocate to some timber until the sun comes up to warm those rocks up. Man, ain't this just beautiful though?
How fishy does it look?
What do you mean, how fishy does it look? Now, if we can catch a fish, I don't know. But it looks fishy. I'll fire right into the middle of it and get stuck. I hate this rod and reel. I ain't gonna use it. I hate it. How you doing over there? What time is it? Is it like 11:30?
I'd say something like 12.
Not a single bite. And that is backlash. Son of a... Literally went through all of our tackle today. What'd you say the water temp was? Like 45? God. Alright, I got it. Well, first catch of the day, Cody. Big pile of shit. Ooh, I got it all over me. I don't think I can cast this far enough to get it down deep enough. I don't think I can get it down deep enough. What happened now? Huh?
Oh
No.
no. Oh no.
See what happens? Oh no. Okay, hold on. I got it. Okay. That was pure luck. Now you're just stuck on a log. Paddle.
Oh,
Are you free? Don't go back over it. Oh man. Starting to see some blue skies out that way. Gonna hit that point.
what I'm doing is I'm just putting I'm just letting it free spool, and I'll just move it while my hand's on the thing.
Yeah.
And I'll just let off. At the base of these trees, you might be able to, like, since you are running weightless, you can flip it up against the tree and just let it fall down a tree and see if anything will snag it.
Oh, I'm about to pee all over myself. Huh? Thought I had one.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it's pretty deep here.
Oh yeah, it's deep. I mean, look how long it takes me to reel it back in.
I'm still falling. Oh, I think I got one. I do. Oh God, it's a good one.
Get it in, Dusty.
I'm trying. You want to move your boat? I think I'm hung. Oh, he's fighting. He's under you. Oh God. Come on, baby. Come on. Woo! My drag. Come on. Come on. Oh, baby.
That's a fucking hoss, Dusty. That's the biggest fish you've ever
Woo!
caught. That's the biggest fish you've ever
Woo! Man. What do you think?
caught. That's
5?
close to it. That's the biggest fish you've ever caught.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Hold on.
Let me get on the sukoshi bug. Look at that. 5 hours later. That's what we're here for. Man. Oh, man. Huh? Thanks, Alfie, for the tip. Oh, shit. Let's see how long she is, Cody.
I'd say, you won't be able to measure. 18.
Close mouth. 19.
That's close.
Should we try to weigh her? Can you? I thought I was hung, bro. It's alright, old girl. I had her hooked perfect.
Time for mouth.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh my God. Let's change it. Kilograms, pounds.
Huh?
4. We'll say the scale sucks. I'm shaking like hell. We'll say 4.7. Yeah. Man. Well, let's get the release on her. See you, old girl. Thank you. That's why we come here. Get her going again. There she goes. Healthy as can be. Woo! That's why we drove 2 hours today, huh? Whew. If that's the only fish we catch today, I hope you catch one, but if that's the only fish I catch today, it was worth it. Hit it on the fall. He was right up against that tree. They were holding trees, apparently. Man, he went under both our boats and everything. On the sukoshi bug. It's got like a weedless Nico style type deal. One bite, one fish, 9 hours later, we tapped out. Thoughts on this first lake? Probably the best lake in Kentucky, even though we only had one bite all day. Structure wise and cover wise, it looked amazing. But unfortunately, the weather never did pan out to what we thought it was going to be today.
We got our butts kicked.
Yeah. One fish. Broke my PB though, so I'm happy. Sorry you got skunked out. But it is what it is. 2 hour drive here. Got a 2 hour drive on the way back. I'm killed. My lazy ass does not like paddling all day. I think our next investment has to be a pedal drive. Somebody give us some money.
Please.
Yeah.
Remember, like, subscribe.
Yeah.
Comment.
Hook us up. Like, subscribe, comment, so we can get some pedal drives.
Hey, let's do some.
Remember though, me and him can get out on the water and fish, so can you. Get out and go fish.
Peace.